Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. Its biggest concern is the same as yours, your family. That's why the Odyssey is the champion of meeting your family's needs. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, driver memory seats, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.